back there? Alright, good. Okay, let's continue on. If you look right up there, right between those trees, right on the left there, you'll see absolutely nothing. But if you look right over here, you'll see a faded dynamite, a lantern, a bunch of bananas, and a big old egg. My instincts are telling me before that egg gets those bananas, we better split. The beautiful Schweitzer Falls named after Dr. Albert Falls. Please lean to your right. Thank you. This, you guys, is the Nile. It's the longest river in the world. If you don't believe me that this is the Nile, you probably get the Nile. Look, there he is. It's just like a bunch of animals. The whole thing was the African bull elephant. Look at those beady eyes and those big sloping forehead, giant ears, huge chest, great big trunk. There's only one thing in the jungle that is more scary than that. And there's you. It's your mother-in-law. Oh, you guys hear rock formation? That's a sandstone formation that a lot of people take for granted. Zebras! They're one of the oldest animals in the jungle, and it's easy to tell because they're so much black and white. And really, the limestone down for their favorite. Zebra on the rock. Always served with pride. And no salt. Oh, and you know how they always say, don't be the honor man in the totem pole. They always say that, right? Well, that guy's getting the point. Oh, stand up over there. Those are the fellas that think you don't stand because nobody ever does. Oh, look what's ahead, you guys. Hippos? Hippos can get over 6,000 pounds. They can easily overturn our boat, but I think they're only dangerous if they wiggle their ears. Or blow bubbles. Uh-oh. These guys are occupied. Oh, I'm going to have to scare them off. Cover your ears. Cover your ears. Oh, it worked. But did you see the blank look on that one? Oh, guys. Here's somewhere you don't want to be headed.
Hey, this guy's funny. Maybe I don't think it's a funny one.
Where's your culture, you guys? I'm going to show you some native arts and crafts. You see the one on top right there, the one with the big smile. That one is art. And that's their craft. What do these guys think? You're not even know, right? You want to see if I can equip it? Nope. Oh, look out! It's an ambush! And these guys scared! Look out! Those were my best spear noises. You guys were supposed to duck. Alright, if you got hit by a spear, flank it out, throw it there, you can't keep it in, sorry. But anyway, there's the awesome thing again, the wonderful, the beautiful map. Holding it in the dinosaurs, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for the backside of the water! They're totally getting ignored as we enter the Amazon River, but they want to take this number 2. And there's a nice one right there. These ones right here, the tall ones, those are bamboos. They can get up to 7 stories, but once I saw one that was 8 stories. But that's another story. And what are these piranha doing? I really think they're the most. Those are dandy piranha ladies protect their men. But speaking of romance, there he is. It's the boa constrictor fish in the sea. It's diameter science. First comes love, then comes asphyxiation. Oh, and that's Sam. He's our head salesman. Well, his business is fish raising. And I'm just out there yelling. Now, he got her for her personality, but he found out he really liked her trunk space. But she has a close to look out.
It's pretty much
Alright. Hey, don't worry, you got any done on you because they're posting something like this. This is about TV circuit for nature. If someone says you can do something, I need to survive the world village jungle cruise. Watch your arms and elbows as you approach the dock with me when I want to start that beautiful dock. And of all the crews I've taken out today, you guys, you're definitely the most famous. Alright, I'm really done with the bicycle getting out.